Most water heater problems start with the wrong sizing, not with the brand, and not with the bathroom. I recommend matching capacity to real hot water demand. That is where the Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus stands out. It is a 36 kilowatts electric tankless water heater, built for 240 V systems with serious household capacity. Made in Germany, with refined engineering and control. This refurbished unit is tested, certified, and fully inspected. It arrives cleaned, repackaged, and ready for installation. You get the relevant accessories in the box, and you gain tankless efficiency without sacrificing comfort. No storage tank means no standby heat loss. That reduces wasted energy during everyday use. Its compact wall-mounted design saves valuable utility space. That matters in homes, condos, and tight mechanical rooms. The advanced flow control keeps temperature more consistent, so showers stay comfortable when demand changes. Kitchen sinks and bathrooms receive on-demand hot water. When properly sized, hot water stays continuous. The electronic temperature control makes adjustments precise. That improves comfort and reduces unnecessary energy use. This is a strong fit for whole home applications, especially where electrical service can support the load. It uses 350A breakers with a 150A draw. That electrical requirement should be verified before installation. For contractors, that makes planning straightforward and predictable. For homeowners, it means dependable performance day after day. For property owners, it offers a premium upgrade path. Energy savings can reach up to 34%. That makes the operating cost easier to justify, especially in households with repeated hot water use. The Eco design supports efficient whole home heating, and the compact form helps modern installations look clean. This model suits plumbers, electricians, and renovators alike. It also fits European and U.S. households seeking efficiency. If your current heater runs out too quickly, reconsider sizing. If your utility space is crowded, consider tankless. If you want reliable output, choose proven control technology. The Tempra 36 Plus delivers all three: high capacity, compact design, and precise hot water management. It is a practical recommendation for demanding installations and a smart upgrade for long-term comfort and savings. Choose the Tempra 36 Plus for serious whole home performance. Verify electrical capacity, then install with confidence.